Yeah, so this is the canvas where you can design your suppose model. Today we will build a simple model, okay, which will just add the values and will reflect in the display or yeah. So just click on the white space and copy paste. Copy Control C and Control V. Yeah. So suppose we have to constant block. Okay, now click on the space, white space, and type add, ADD. Yeah, first one. Okay, drag it little right to the right, not there. Just drag the block to the right. Yeah, complete right. Complete. Yeah. Yeah. So what you can do, yeah, you connect both one by one, both, yeah, to the other port. Yeah. Now the both are one, and now type display. Yeah. Yeah. Drag it little right, and then you can add it. Yeah. Just to run the model, maybe simulation on top is there. Yeah, we'll go there. Yeah. Run the model. It will be always 2, right? Yeah. So suppose I want to feed the output into the input and I want it to increase by time. So how can I do that? I type delay somewhere in the space. Unit delay, maybe not just a delay, unit delay.
This one, right?
Unit, you type unit delay, it will be. Oh. Okay. Class. Okay. So what we can do now? We will implement it like it will increment in every sample time with one delay. So before that, what you try to do, like output, you add up into one input put. So what you can do, you delete one constant block. Yeah. And what you can do, you connect your output into your input.
This one.
No, not that one. The output of the add block into the input to the add block. Yeah, those lines can. No, not there. Output of the add block, add it into the input of the add block. Now delete that line. Now delete that. Take the input of the add block. Input, the one that is not connected. Yeah, drag it to the output line. The line, not there. Output line of the add block, not there. Yeah, there is a line, right, from the add block. Signal that is connected to the display. Yeah, connect, yeah, to that line. Not there, yeah, there. Okay, now if you try to simulate, you will get some error saying algebraic loop. I mean, you are able to see the word, right? Algebraic loop.
Yes.
Yeah. So the meaning of algebraic loop is like till the output here in the first sample time, what will happen actually? You have idea on sample time?
No, sir.
Okay. In one sample time, what happens? The system takes a measurement and that value will be displayed. Like suppose the system is changing its output from 10 to 20, like 10, 11, 12. So suppose in 1 second it is changing. Then if I measure it in every 1 second and I'm able to see the proper output, then that is the sample time of the system. Yeah. So here what is actually happening when you try to simulate it in the first sample time, the signal that is having the input, okay, is means input to the add block is having one at one output, one input, right?
Yes.
One input is one and the other input is not sure what it is, right? So that's why the error is coming up.
Okay.
So what you can do, you just rotate the unit delay block, yeah, control R. Yeah, one more. Yeah. So what you can do, you just put it just in between the line which is going below the add block. Below. No. Drag the block and put it in the below straight line. It will automatically connect in the line. Little right, a left, more, yeah, connected.
Okay.
Now if you try to simulate it, it will work fine without any error, right? The value is incremented till 51. Okay. So yeah, what you can do, press on the step forward button. Can you press on the step forward button?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now what you can do, you just click on the output of add block, the line output. Yeah, click on that. Okay, the output signal is having the value of 1, right? And click on the there. Yeah, it is 0, right? So 0 and 1 is being added and the output is 1.
Yes.
Now step again, same button. Observe for some